Welcome to a journey of financial liberation inspired by one of history's wealthiest figures, John D. Rockefeller. Today, we're diving into one of the greatest mysteries of wealth, John D. Rockefeller's legendary secret to building a fortune so vast that working becomes a choice, not a necessity. Rockefeller, the titan of American industry and once the wealthiest man on earth, used principles and strategies that still resonate with investors today. If you've ever dreamed of reaching a point where you no longer need to work, then you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we explore how Rockefeller's approach to earning, saving, and investing can be adapted in today's world to create your own passive income streams. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of our videos packed with insights and tips on building lasting wealth. Let's unlock the secret together. John D. Rockefeller was not just a figure in the annals of American history. He was a colossal force in shaping the modern industrial landscape. Born in 1839 in Richford, New York, Rockefeller founded the Standard Oil Company in 1870. Which quickly evolved into the world's largest oil refiner. His unmatched knack for business strategy and innovation led Standard Oil to dominate the oil industry, essentially creating the first major U.S. business trust. Rockefeller's approach to wealth was methodical and disciplined. He capitalized on economies of scale, aggressive acquisitions, and meticulous attention to detail, strategies that allowed him to streamline production and undercut competitors. His business philosophy centered on the power of monopoly and controlling the market to maximize profits, a tactic that eventually led to antitrust lawsuits, resulting in the breakup of Standard Oil in 1911 into 34 separate entities. Beyond his business acumen, Rockefeller was a pioneer of personal finance principles that still hold relevance. He believed in saving diligently, investing wisely, and giving generously. His philanthropic efforts were legendary, contributing to education, health, and scientific research, embodying his belief that wealth should benefit society. His life and strategies illustrate a timeless blueprint for building and sustaining wealth. The secret unveiled. John D. Rockefeller, through his ownership in Standard Oil, utilized passive income streams masterfully. His investments in oil refineries, pipelines, and rail cars were not just profitable but continuously paid dividends, which he reinvested to further expand his wealth network. Beyond oil, Rockefeller's dividends from his vast array of investments represented a perfect example of passive income. He strategically placed his capital in assets that would yield continuous returns, such as real estate and other industrial enterprises, thereby ensuring a constant influx of income without his direct day-to-day involvement. The concept of passive income, a term that has gained prominence in financial planning discussions, refers to earnings derived from ventures in which an individual is not actively involved on a daily basis. This form of income is crucial because it can provide financial security and freedom by generating a steady cash flow without the constant input of time and effort. Essentially, it allows your money to work for you, rather than you working for money. The benefits of passive income are manifold. It creates an opportunity for wealth accumulation that isn't limited by the number of hours one can work. It offers the freedom to pursue other interests or investments and provides a financial safety net that can help withstand economic downturns or personal hardships. Moreover, passive income can lead to financial independence, allowing individuals to retire early or scale back on work if they choose. Rockefeller's utilization of passive income teaches a valuable lesson. By investing wisely in income-generating assets, one can create a self-sustaining cycle of reinvestment and wealth growth. Today, similar opportunities exist in various forms such as rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, royalties from creative works, and earnings from digital platforms. By learning from Rockefeller's approach and adapting it to modern contexts, you can set up your own passive income streams to secure a financially free future. Building your own wealth the Rockefeller way. Start early. The power of starting early cannot be overstressed. Rockefeller began his business ventures at a young age, and by starting early, you can take full advantage of compounding returns. For instance, if you start investing $200 a month at the age of 20, with an average annual return of 7%. You will accumulate over $500,000 by the age of 60. Delaying this start to age 30 could reduce your total by more than half. Diversify your investments. Rockefeller didn't put all his eggs in one basket. Though oil was his primary venture, he also invested in iron, timber, and railroads, among others. Diversification reduces risk by spreading investments across different assets. You can diversify by investing in a mix of stocks, bonds, real estate, and perhaps a small business. Each of these assets reacts differently to the same economic event, which can help stabilize your overall portfolio performance. Reinvest your profits. One of the most critical strategies was Rockefeller's reinvestment of profits. Instead of spending the dividends and earnings from his investments, he reinvested them into buying more assets. This principle of compounding can be applied by reinvesting dividends from stocks or rental income from properties into purchasing additional shares or properties. Over time, this reinvestment not only increases the value of your assets but also your income potential. Keep costs low and efficiency high. Rockefeller famously pursued efficiency and cost reduction throughout his enterprises. Apply this to your investments by choosing low-cost investment funds and minimizing unnecessary expenses that diminish your returns. This approach increases your net gains and available capital for further investment. Monitor and adjust regularly. Rockefeller was meticulous about monitoring his business operations and finances. Similarly, regular reviews of your investment portfolio and financial plan are crucial. This allows you to adjust to changes in the market, economic environment, or your personal life, ensuring that your investments continue to align with your long-term financial goals. By adopting these steps, starting early, diversifying your investments, reinvesting earnings, maintaining efficiency, and regularly reviewing your finances, you can build a solid financial foundation. Just as Rockefeller used these principles to create and maintain his wealth, so too can you apply them to cultivate lasting financial security and independence. Modern tools and strategies. In today's financial landscape, a myriad of modern tools and strategies are available that simplify the process of building wealth through passive income streams. These tools not only enhance your ability to invest wisely but also align well with the foundational principles used by John D. Rockefeller. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs. ETFs are investment funds traded on stock exchanges. Much like stocks, they hold assets such as stocks, commodities, or bonds and generally operate with an arbitrage mechanism designed to keep trading close to its net asset value, though deviations can occasionally occur. ETFs offer a cost-effective way to diversify your portfolio without the need to purchase the basket of assets individually. For instance, buying an S&P 500 ETF allows you to own a small piece of all 500 companies in the index, spreading out risk and reducing the impact of volatility on your portfolio. Robo-advisors. Robo-advisors are digital platforms that provide automated, algorithm-driven financial planning services with minimal human supervision. A typical robo-advisor collects information from clients about their financial situation and future goals through an online survey, and then uses the data to offer advice and/or automatically invest client assets. This tool is particularly useful for beginners who may not have the depth of knowledge or experience to manage their investments. Robo-advisors can help in creating a diversified investment portfolio, automatically rebalancing assets and optimizing for taxes. Tax-advantaged accounts. Utilizing tax-advantaged accounts like Roth IRAs, traditional IRAs, and 401(k)s can significantly enhance your investment returns by minimizing the tax burden. Contributions to a traditional IRA may be tax-deductible depending on your income and other factors, while Roth IRAs provide tax-free growth and tax-free withdrawals in retirement. Maximizing contributions to these accounts can dramatically increase your investment power over time due to tax savings and compound interest. By leveraging these modern investment tools, you can build and manage a robust portfolio that generates passive income. These not only streamline the investment process but also align with prudent financial management principles, helping you grow your wealth systematically and securely. Common pitfalls to avoid. In your journey to build wealth through passive income, several common pitfalls can derail even the most astute investors. Awareness and strategic planning are key to avoiding these missteps. Poor diversification. One of the biggest mistakes is not diversifying enough. Concentrating all your capital in a single stock, sector, or even type of investment, like real estate, increases risk significantly. Ensure your investments are spread across different asset classes and sectors to mitigate risk. Emotional investing. Emotional decisions can lead to buying high and selling low, the opposite of profitable investing strategies. To avoid this, set clear, emotion-free guidelines for when to buy or sell investments. Stick to these rules no matter the market condition. Ignoring expenses. High investment fees can eat into your returns significantly over time. Always check for and minimize fees where possible, whether in mutual funds, ETFs, or other investment vehicles. Neglecting tax implications. Not planning for taxes can lead to unexpected liabilities. Utilize tax-advantaged accounts and be aware of the tax implications of your investments to optimize your returns. Action plan. Evaluate your financial state. Start with a comprehensive review of your current financial situation, including income, expenses, debts, and savings. This baseline will help you understand what you can invest. Set realistic goals. Determine what you want to achieve through your investments. Are you aiming for retirement income, wealth accumulation, or perhaps funding for future expenses like education? Set specific, measurable, and achievable goals. Develop an investment strategy. Based on your goals and financial situation, craft an investment strategy. This should include the types of assets you plan to invest in, the amount of risk you are willing to take, and your expected timeline. Start small and scale. Begin with an amount you are comfortable investing without affecting your daily financial needs. As you grow more accustomed and financially stable, gradually increase your investments. Monitor and adjust. Regularly review your investments and their performance. This will not only help you understand if you are on track to meet your goals, but also allow you to make adjustments as needed based on market changes or personal circumstances. If you found these strategies helpful, please subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications for more insightful content on building lasting wealth. Don't miss out. Join our community today.